NPP?
Well, yes, as you have seen in the news media around, I am planning to join the NPP, and the scheduled date for entering, for being inducted in the NPP is on the 13th of September at 2 p.m. in the state NPP headquarter office.
Are you contesting?
Joining the NPP, I have seen the leadership of Mr. Conrad Seng. In these 5 years of government, 5 years of chief ministership, Mr. Conrad Sangma has brought drastic change in the state of Meghalaya. There has been a lot of development. We could see development coming, and we could see more to come. And therefore, I thought that NPP is the only party of the state that perhaps could provide the people of the state the sense of security, the sense of development, and a future for the people of Meghalaya.
Were you promised with
MP
ticket for the
No.
upcoming
No,
MP election?
I am joining the NPP without any conditions. I'm making it very clear to you.
Are you looking forward to contest Lok Sabha?
Once I join the NPP, I will be a member of the party, and whatever the high command of the party finds me fit with a responsibility, I'm ready to shoulder that.
Will you apply for the ticket?
Duna haka party. Ngangan ong da kabasyay ba ngam I don jing duna AA haka party BJP. Ka jing duna ka don ha kinong yalam jong ka BJP hapo Meghalaya. Ngadi tangkata ngam kwa ban kren benya iki ngalabatay haka city ka banga air banga resign mga iki daw bangami na ka party ndre ngangan kren da kabasyay ngam lap AA ka jing duna ne ka jing baklah ka party ndre ka jing duna ka don ha kinong yalam jong ka party hapo state.